Good afternoon, everyone. I want to show you guys some of the herbs and supplements that I'm taking for prevention and that also can be used as treatment for the coronavirus. So I'm going to give you a little synopsis of each one of these. Hope everybody's staying safe. It's got everything they need. Another important thing besides toilet paper and whatever those non-perishable essentials are is I hope a lot of you are stocking up on fruits and vegetables too, because that is going to be key to protect your immune system and help with prevention, and treatment if sickness does occur. So yesterday I was showing you guys some of my immunity tonic, and I'm also going to show you another video of me actually transitioning the immunity tonic out of my machine that I extract. That's my final extraction process, and when I put them into bottles and label them. So those are really good for prevention and also treatment. So that's the first thing that I'm going to show you. I got this right here. I was just doing my afternoon tinctures and my herbs, and just wanted to throw this together for you guys to show you some stuff that could help. So here's my immunity tonic. I like to reuse my bottles, so this one's a little dirty. But my immunity tonic has elderberries, reishi mushroom, white pine, lemon balm, and rose hips, right? So it's used all winter long, usually to help with colds and flus, but you can up it even more now with this heightened situation that we have. So, and know that you have the tools and that you are well. You know, everyone is freaking out, and it's all gonna be okay. So that's something I want you to tell yourselves too, all right? So another thing I add that I have in here, right, is my wild mushroom tonic. So this is 5 different mushrooms: turkey tail mushroom, birch polypore, reishi mushroom, artist conch, and maitake. So great for the immune system, great for the lungs. Another essential tincture that I recommend. I love Vimergy. You're going to see a lot of things from Vimergy here. It's a great company. So is to get this ionic zinc. Okay, you can take the droppers. You can actually put it right underneath your tongue, right, and hold it for 20 seconds. That's the best way to get it into your body. Same with the B12. Okay, essential for immune system. So you do the same thing. Take that, hold it under the tongue, hold for 20 seconds. I'm not going to do that because then I'm just going to sit here for 20 seconds and hum a little bit. But I did already take that. So another essential thing that can really help is this is very antibacterial, right? L-lysine, but also antiviral as well. So it's a little speed rack here. I'm going to show you guys. I've been taking this daily, Ester C. This one actually is enhanced with the rose hips and I always say this wrong, acerola extract, something like that. Acerola. Yeah, so if you guys know, sometimes I say things a little funny sometimes, but this stuff is incredible, and the best part about it is it does not upset your stomach, so you can take a lot of them. So I'm going to take this right now. Okay. And as you see, I do the tinctures, and then I take the herbs with the tinctures, okay? Another thing that has essential minerals, this has got inositol, L-glutamine, L-taurine, choline, and magnesium glycinate. Celery force, so I drink celery force daily. That's a recommendation from Medical Medium. It helps with so many things. One of them could be to help your immune system, and this supplement helps to basically strengthen the effect of the celery juice and make it last all day long, okay? Another great supplement from Vimergy. So I also like this company, Pure Encapsulations. So taking vitamin D, we take it all winter long in New England, right? Because we have less sun, but great for the immune system, great for the bones, and all sorts of other stuff too. Now, sometimes I even double down and I take zinc in a pill form. So sometimes I'll take that and I'll take the ionic zinc, all right? Zinc is an essential mineral that has been stripped from our soil that we don't have anymore from our food. And it's an amazing component for the immune system. If everyone takes zinc, it'll really help to save them and help create a protective barrier. Speaking of protective barriers, number one formula I've been using is called antiphlogistic. Okay, and this has andrographis herb, dandelion, and isatis root, some great antivirals. Andrographis will literally, if you have been exposed to something, it can help to clear it out of your body before the pathogen really can set in. So I've been taking this for a couple weeks now, every day. So if you do happen to get sick, or it starts to come on, right? One thing I recommend, oh, I forgot something. Wait one second. There you go, I'm back. So it is guizhi tang, okay? Guizhi tang is actually how you say it in Chinese, guizhi. I always say it a little funny too, but this one is a formula for clearing wind, and I also have it in powder form. That's how I'll take it a lot of times because it tastes really good, unlike other powdered Chinese herbal formulas. Okay, and it's got ginger, cinnamon, licorice, red date, and white peony. Okay, so that's something if you want to get the heat moving, right, and help to clear out stuff. That usually helps. I don't know how much that's ultimately going to help with the coronavirus, but these are just some things that can help for prevention. It may help a little bit for prevention, right? I think the antiphlogistic it will actually work better. Now, another one, if you're actually starting to feel sick, dispel invasion. It has schizonepiда, siler root, some other wind clearing herbs that really, especially from the upper burner, right, and from your sinus cavities. All right, if you do happen to get sick, the traditional formula that we've been using for a really long time, yin chow. It's got honeysuckle flower and a bunch of other wind heat. So is what this formula is used for, which is what we commonly know as the flu. And that is going to help to clear stuff out. So that is what usually will help with the common flu, right? But the reason why coronavirus has been so dangerous is because it's not just a wind heat. I was saying that before in some of my other videos when I was talking about the immunity tonic. There is a massive amount of dampness that is still lingering with this virus, and so when we traditionally use something like yin chow over time, like it's just going to clear it, help with the cough symptoms, help with the headache, help with the fever, a lot of things like that. But with the coronavirus, we need something a little bit different. So my teacher was telling me some formulas that would be really good. I got a couple of them here. So this is Haojian Genshi-san, or Agastache formula, which is actually patchouli herb, which is the number one chief herb in this formula. This is traditionally used to clear dampness from the middle burner, from the stomach, right? Then you also have True Warrior formula here, which is Zhen Wu Tong, or Shen Wu Tong. And that is got aconite in it, which it will help to clear dampness from the kidneys. That's traditionally what this is used for, to spark fire and to clear dampness from the kidneys. So these formulas, along with what my teacher has, Dr. Wu, is called Formula 902, which I actually gave my last bottle to somebody, so I'll have to get some more from him, can also help to clear dampness and clear a wind heat. So these are just some suggestions of things that could help you. If you're interested in any of these things, I have some of them available, particularly my tinctures that I make. But I definitely recommend checking out Vimergy, checking out Pure Encapsulations. I do have some of these Chinese herbs available in stock. So that's my little speed rack rundown of some herbs and supplements that can help you. So definitely stick with those organic fruits and veggies, and take some time for meditation. Maybe shut off the TV, don't watch the news and get all caught up in the fear. You know, give thanks for all that you have around you, and connect with your family and friends. Take this time that we have to go inside, right? And take the quarantine to maybe do some other things that you haven't had an opportunity to do, right? And know that we will get through this and all will be well, all right? So stay safe and be well. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful Friday the 13th.